Alito. So today I want to give you guys the phrase Nanta bʋnna. Nanta bʋnna. And so this means, what do you want? What do you want? So Nanta being what, chi refers to you, and then bʋnna is to want. So Nanta bʋnna, what do you want? So if you're going to a restaurant and someone's tagging along with you, and you can ask them this question, Nanta bʋnna, what do you want? So Nanta bʋnna, what do you want? But I will also add that some speakers do say chinna, and this is the shortened version of bʋnna. So you might hear Nanta bʋnna, or you might hear Nanta chinna. It's just so that you're aware. But Nanta bʋnna, what do you want? I hope this helps, and I hope you use it. At your peace, a lot